Hello students, today we are going to have a complete discussion on CBSE latest syllabus of English for the year 2020-2021 for class 9. This year, CBSE has reduced almost 30% of the course due to the current COVID-19 situation. Now, starting from literature, we have two books prescribed by CBSE. The first one being Beehive. Now, the chapters that are marked with the red cross that have been deleted by CBSE this year, they include The Lake Isle of Innisfree, The Snake and the Mirror, The Duck and the Kangaroo, Kathmandu, and Slumber Did My Spirit Seal. Coming on to the second book, that's the supplementary reader that has been prescribed by the CBSE, we have Ishwaran the Storyteller and The Accidental Tourist. These two chapters have been deleted by CBSE. Now let us have a detailed discussion on the question paper pattern, which will involve reading section, writing section, grammar section, and of course, literature section. So starting with the paper, we are going to have two unseen passages this time. Earlier also we had two unseen passages, but वो 12 और 8 नंबर के होते थे. This time we have two passages again, but they both will be of 10 marks each. Now here you'll get multiple choice questions. Both the passages will be of different word limits. The first one will be of 400 to 450 words and the second one will be of 200 to 250 words. Again, they will test your analysis, your interpretation, your evaluation, your vocabulary, and of course, your inference. Now, coming on to the next question. The next question would be from the literature section this time. This is the slightest change by CBSE. Literature this time is of 40 marks. So the 10 marks of literature will be immediately after the reading section. Now these 10 marks will involve two RTCs based on drama, prose, and the second based on poetry. They both will be of 5 marks each. You will get choice, of course, in both the RTCs. You'll have to do any one out of 2. Coming on to the grammar section would be of 10 marks each, and you'll get 10 multiple choice questions out of 12. Now, the questions would be based on the following topics: tenses, modals, subject-verb concord, reported speech, which will involve commands, requests, statements, questions, and the last grammar topic is determiners. We need to remember that these are the deleted topics of grammar. First one being use of passive voice, second one being clauses, noun clause, adverb clause of condition, time, relative, and the last one is prepositions. Now coming on to the writing section, this time again writing section is a bit different from the last year's pattern. We have a descriptive paragraph based on a person. That's it. It is just based on a person. Earlier it was also based on place and event, but this time it has been deleted. So the descriptive paragraph will be only based on a person, or you are going to get a diary entry based on visual or verbal cues. 1 out of 2 questions will be answered by you guys, and it will be of 5 marks. Now the story will be coming whose word limit would be 100 to 120 words, and it will be based on the given cues, and 1 out of 2 questions would be answered by you, and again it will be of 5 marks. We need to remember that the letter based on situation has been deleted, and of course, as mentioned earlier, the descriptive paragraph based on place or event have been deleted. Coming on to the literature section, as I mentioned earlier, this time the literature section would be of 40 marks. So the rest 30 marks, because we have already discussed for the 10 marks, the rest 30 marks would be based this way. The first question, or you can call the third question, would involve 4 questions out of the 6 short answer type questions. They will be answered in 20 to 30 words each, and they will be either from Beehive or from Moments. And coming on to the second question, again you will have 4 questions out of the 6 short answer type questions. They will be answered in 40 to 50 words, again from either Beehive or Moments. Coming on to the next question, this is a long answer type question. Here you will have to answer 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from Beehive. And the last question would also be long answer type question. You'll have to answer 1 out of 2, and that will be from Moments. Now, both these long answer type questions would be of 5 marks. Earlier, you had 8 marks question, long answer type, but this year they have reduced it to 5 marks. Coming on to a short revision of what have been deleted from literature, I've already discussed in the beginning as well. So the deleted chapters involve Lake Isle of Innisfree, Snake and the Mirror, Duck and the Kangaroo, Kathmandu, A Slumber Did My Spirit Feel. And from Moments, it involves Ishwaran the Storyteller and The Accidental Tourist. So all in all, we have 80 marker paper, of course 80 marker as it used to be. Reading section would be of 20 marks, writing section would be of 20 marks, literature section would be of 40 marks. So yes, also we need to remember one thing, that the reduced syllabus only applies to this year, considering the current situation. It won't be carried forward by CBSE. Thank you very much.